Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to book a new patient. Booking a new patient assists the user with making a booking without the need to create an electronic file. The patient might not have all of the information to give the user at the moment, therefore a permanent file would not be created yet. Let us go over how to add a new booking. From the diary screen, double-click on the desired booking time slot. Alternatively, the user can click on the New Booking button. Please note, if a New Booking button instead reads New Task or New Operation, then the new bookings can only be made by double-clicking the desired booking time slot. For more information on how to change the New Booking button, please refer to the Diary Settings user manual linked in this video's description. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Now, let us go over the necessary information to make a new booking on the Add Edit Booking screen. Before a booking is made, the user must ensure that all of the booking details are correct. Please note that the booking details fields can be set up to have default information display when a new booking is made. For more information on the booking details field, please refer to the Book Existing Patient user manual in this video's description. Before a new patient's information is captured, the user can search for the patient's name, surname, ID, or medical aid number in the search bar to ensure that no duplicate entries are made. Click on the Data drop-down menu and select the Patient option. Click on the Search for Existing Data search bar and start typing the patient's information. If the patient already exists on the system, the patient details will be listed. If not, the user can continue to capture the patient's information. Fill in the necessary data details before capturing any patient information. Please note, if the data is also the patient, click on the Duplicate Data button to populate the patient details section with the information provided in the Data Details section. Next, we will go over the Patient Details section. Click on the Name field and type the patient's first name. Click on the Surname field and type the patient's surname. Click on the Cell Phone field to type the patient's cell phone number. To choose the type of identification that the patient is going to use, click on that ID type drop-down menu and select the desired option. Click on the ID number field and type the patient's identification number associated with the ID type. Click on the email field and type the patient's email address. The date of birth field will automatically be completed using the ID number provided. The patient's initials will also automatically populate the initials field using the patient's first name. The dependent number field will, by default, be 0. However, the user is able to change the dependent number by clicking in the field and typing the correct number. Click on the Type drop-down menu to select whether the patient is a main member, a type of dependent, or neither. The gender field will automatically be completed using the information provided in the ID number field. However, can be changed by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting the desired option. The title field will automatically be completed by using the information provided in the gender field. However, can be changed by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting the desired option. To exit the Add Edit Booking screen without saving any information, click on the Close button. An attention pop-up will open to advise the user that they may have unsaved changes. If the user does not wish to lose unsaved changes, click on the Cancel button. To exit the data details screen without saving any changes, the user can simply click on the OK button. Click on the Save button to save the patient's information and return to the diary screen where the new patient's booking can be found. For more information on how to add the patient's data information onto the system, please refer to the Create New Data User Manual in this video's description.